Welcome to this brief tutorial on enabling and managing rates via revenue control. To enable revenue control, please follow these steps. Begin by navigating to the Settings option, where you will find the Revenue Management option. Upon clicking this, you will be redirected to a page where you can select the mode of update you want to use. In this case, we need to select Property Level, as revenue control manages rates based on the total available inventory of the property. Click Enable under Property Level, then confirm your selection by clicking on Yes. You will then be redirected to a page where you the main room type, which will be the master rate. You will then be redirected to a page where you can assign seasons to specific date ranges. Here where you can update each season pricing as per the inventory slab. Once you are done after the inventory slab and updating the rates here, we need to derive the other room rates from the main rate. Congratulations! You have now set revenue control for your property. The rates will dynamically change in accordance with the availability of the rooms.